Hey everyone, this is the Samsung wireless charger Convertible, a truly unique wireless charger in a classy form factor. It's leather, it has a fan, it's convertible, and it's sexy. It uses the key wireless power transfer standard that works in any key-enabled device. The model I have here is the EP-PG950. It's available in leather black and leather brown, and it supports fast charging. Inside the box is a black fast charge power adapter, the leather wireless charger, an instruction manual, and a warranty card. And it also comes with a black USB-C cable, so that's nice for a touch. I mean, it's future-proof. So the price of this wireless charger was $99 at release. Now, it's around $45 in Amazon and 95 dirhams in Souk. I've put links in the description below so you wouldn't have to search for it. The best thing about this is that it is convertible. You can even change its orientation using one hand since it has a grippy base under it. The wireless charger has 3 coils, which means you can put your device in any orientation you want. Horizontal, vertical, or even upside down. This is when the wireless charger is in stand position. Also, you can unlock your device with a fingerprint scanner at the back when it's faced right side up. You can also charge your Galaxy Buds when it is laid flat, like a wireless charging pad. But one bad thing about this charger is that it gets dusty easily. Dust and other debris easily sticks to the leather surface. With the black color, these particles are more visible. The wireless charger has an input of 5 volts and 2 amps in normal charging, and it has 9 volts and 1.67 amps when it's fast charging, and an output of 5 volts and 1 amps in normal charging and 9 volts and 1 amps for fast charging. That is what your phone gets when it's on the wireless charging base. And it has an indicator LED that shows its status: green for fully charged, light blue for normal charging, and dark blue for fast charging. You can charge your phone overnight with no worries since it has a built-in internal fan to cool it down. A full charge from 0% in my Galaxy S8 takes approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes using the wireless fast charging. Note that when the phone screen is turned on, the charging output will automatically change to 5 watts, so it's better to leave your phone on the stand while it's charging. Wireless charging is not the best. I believe that cable charging is better since you can use your phone while it's plugged in. But one thing that wireless charging teaches us is how to stop using our phone and reconnect more with those around us, our families, hobbies, non-tech activities, and more. It allows us to disconnect with our phone and connect with reality. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Cheers.